For those actively searching for ready-to-move in high-rise apartments in Puppalaguda, listen carefully. At the Vue Residency, buy a few investor units are available in sizes from 1500 SFT to 2150 SFT. If you are looking a ready-to-move in high-rise apartment in Puppalaguda, this is important. At the Vue Residency, we have couple of investor units available. Sizes range from 1500 SFT to 2150 SFT. And here is the advantage. Investor units are usually priced lower than the current builder price. That means better early point and better value. If you are serious, WhatsApp me. These units often come at better pricing compared to direct builder inventory. To schedule a site visit, my number is displayed on the screen. Please do not hesitate to WhatsApp me. See you in next video.